Hello, I'm Carole Klaue. Today is March 2024. The metal part of the bridge is almost on. We're in a position. I'm not good at videos, but this is it. There's the covered bridge. Got its lower siding onto the walk areas. The roof area is done. All the way to the other end. Really exciting day. Well, actually 3 days for me. I kept coming down, but then it didn't go, and it didn't go, and it didn't go. It was 25 degrees. I am freezing. Got to quit because my fingers are really getting cold being out in the air like this. I can't wear gloves and take pictures. I don't know why. It hinders me. I think I'm more afraid of dropping my expensive stuff than anything. Well, how exciting for Ashtabula County. This is in Harpersfield, Ohio. Harpersfield Covered Bridge. Almost on. I got to see it. My last job to go look at stuff like this. It was wonderful. And I started to cry. Oh, I'm not a crier. Oh well, that's life. Some things are important to some people. Have a nice day.